Okay.
Hi Jerry, from Connecticut. We went to Onyx Moonshine. We have a grandfather's grappa, or very hard liquor, 180 proof. We went to Onyx Moonshine. We talked to the distiller. His name is Kent. He's gonna help us bring this down to a drinkable level. We also found that the Onyx Moonshine is barreling aged in a bottle. What it would allow us to do is infuse this 180 proof to make it seem more like legit moonshine. So we just wanted to put this together to show you what we're doing, and here we go. Still strong. So hopefully, next time you come down to visit, we'll give this a try. It'll be aged just like it was in an oak barrel. Hope to see you soon.